Hi everyone, this is Sergio. So I wanted to record this little video to show this blueprint actor components in action. So if you want to make one, you just come to blueprint class and choose actor component. And this is a reusable piece of code. So for example, here I have two actor components and I attach them to my mesh here. And if I press play, this is how it's working. I have one rotator and one blueprint that fires something. So if I select my cube, for example, I delete all this, I don't need it, and even the arrow. This is the cube, it does nothing, but then if I come here to the rotator, drag it, I set up some parameters, so I'll just make it 0.2 to rotate faster, and this is the kind of angles or speed of rotation, and you see it's rotating. Right, so now you can drag this actual projectile, but the projectile needs to decide where is the direction. Like if it's what this was a gun, what's the direction? And for that, I added an arrow, so it looks for this arrow, right? So if I put the arrow here, this is the direction that it will take. And this projectile, it has also some parameters. This is the speed of the projectile. I would say it's okay. And this is the blueprint that you will like spawn. In this case, this blueprint, it has an arrow inside, and that's it. So if I now press play, you see, so it's working fine, my cube and my projectiles, and this could be attached into any mesh. And I was having a little bit of a problem before. Let me show it, by the way. So the blueprint, as I mentioned, that I'm spawning has this arrow inside. And then I have this projectile movement. And actually there was an option here, this rotation remains vertical. So here I decide the speed in the beginning and end, and there is no gravity, but I had this one on. And I didn't notice that then the angle wasn't correct. You see, it's not following the direction of the arrow. It goes some weird direction. So if I take this one off, rotation remains vertical off. Then if I press play, then it works as expected. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.